I welcome you all to this class of feminism. Before making a discussion about feminism, I want to tell you the fact that while an infant is born in a family, the infant is born only with a sex identity. That means if the infant is having the sex chromosome like XY, then the infant is a male infant, and if the infant is having the sex chromosome like XX, then the infant is a female infant. So there is a difference between the physical appearance of a male infant and female infant. But while the infant grows up in the family, in the context of society, gradually it comes to know about gender identity. Therefore, I am telling you the fact that sex is a biological attribute. On the contrary, gender is a socio-cultural attribute. And it is the society and culture of a country which teaches the gender identity to a person. Then what do we mean by feminism? Just to make a derivation, feminine plus ism, that is called feminism. Feminine is a gender that is related to women. Ism means philosophy or approach. Therefore, feminism is a philosophy or it is an approach related to women. In simpler form, I can say feminism is an approach by which it is thought that since time immemorial, women have been exploited and oppressed in a male-dominated society. Feminism also suggests certain programs need to be adopted in the society, keeping in mind how to liberate the woman from the shackles of tradition and how to upgrade and uplift the status of women in a society. In fact, we find there are different types of feminism and different waves of feminism organized all over the world over the centuries. First of all, I am telling you there are 6 different branches of feminism or 6 different perspectives on feminism. What are they? First is liberal feminism. Second is radical feminism. Third is Marxist or socialist feminism. Fourth is black feminism. And fifth is post-modern or post-colonial feminism. And the last one is ecofeminism. What all these feminism are telling? You see, liberal feminism promotes the idea that equality must be brought between man and woman in every spheres of life, but it gives justification to sex-based division of labor. It says that man is best suited for outside activities and woman is best suited for domestic activities. On the other hand, radical feminism considers man as the enemy of the woman. Third is your Marxist feminism. It promotes the idea that capitalism is the root cause of women's exploitation. Fourth is black feminism. It promotes the idea that whenever the black people organized the movement against the white people, black women could not play any role. Fifth type of feminism, that is post-colonial or modern feminism, it promotes the idea that particularly women of colonialized country like India and other countries of Asia and Africa, they fought not only against not only against the male members, they also became victimized because of their lower caste position, lower class position, and a lower position in the matter of decision making. And the last type of feminism, that is the ecofeminism, it promotes the idea that whenever science and technology grows, the development of science and technology gives a challenge to the interest of the environment as well as the interest of women. All these things, I will make a detailed discussion regarding these 6 types of feminism in my next videos. Apart from that, I would also discuss there the different waves of feminism that the whole world has undergone till the date. This is all about feminism in a very nutshell manner, and I wish you thankfulness for watching this video. Thank you a lot.